In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. In this lecture, I am going to explain how to record receipts or receive payment from your customers in QuickBooks Desktop. And home screen, you can see here on home page receive payments. When you send your invoice to your customers, so after receiving the invoice, your customer will make payment to you. So you can record your payment from here, receipts from your customer, and here you can see receive payments on home page. Click on it, so this page will be open, or you can also bring this page from customers, then click on receive payments. Here you can see in this section receive from which customer are you going to receive your money. You can choose your customer from here, for example Umar Khan, and here you can see the method of your customer payment that he will do and make payment to you. For example, if your customer send money by cash, so you can choose cash. If your customer send check, you can choose check, or you can choose credit card, debit card, or e-check. So currently I'm just clicking on cash, and here you can see the date on which you are going to record this customer payment, and here you can write a reference number, for example 1, and here you can select the invoice that you send to your customer. Click on it, and here you can see the message that you are calculate the all payments, so click on yes. If you are going to receive the all amount that you have written in your invoice, so you can directly save includes. If your customer make payment partially, so you can click on payment here and choose how and write the amount that your customer will pay to you. For example, I'm writing 260,000. 260,000 from 360,000. So you can see here, and my customer are going to make payment partially. And here you can see under payment the amount 1,100,000 that it's not payable to me. So it's not paid currently to me, and he will make payment of this amount, and he is liable to make payment for it. And here you can see amount due, that is 360,000, and applied amount 260,000. If you want to write some message, so you can here write in the memo a message to your customer, and here you can, if you click on save include, so this transaction will be saved, but the page will be gone. If you want to save and reopen this page, so you can click on save in new. If you want to print, so click on print and then click on payment, and here you can choose customize the template. If you want to customize the template, so you can click on customize template. If you don't want, so not no click, and you can directly click on print by the time your laptop is connected to your printer. If you want to send an email, so click on email, then click on payment, and then click on not now, and you can see if your email is open in your laptop, so automatically the all data will be in your email, and directly you can click on send, so your payment receipt will be sent to your customer. If you want to delete this transaction from your reports, click on reports, then click on customers and receivables, and then click on transaction list by customer. And here you can see your transaction list by customer by the name of Umar Khan. This is show invoice that you send to your customer by the amount of 360,000, and here you can see the payment of the amount of 260,000. I'm going to delete my payment amount. Double click on it and then click on delete. So then click on OK. The payment of your customer will be deleted from your reports.